Hello chaps, welcome back to another episode of Fortress Locksmith videos. Yes, hope you're well. Really excited about this video. I did actually do a video yesterday, but didn't realise that you could only see my fucking hand. Anyway, there we go. So this is going to be about these Lishi style 2-in-1s, I'm going to call them, okay? So you know there's a few of them out there, and let's be honest, they're absolute fucking dog shit. But, these have now come out on the market. So we have the Yale 6B profile and the Yale 6 profile. The only difference is one of them is easier to pick for rim cylinders, and this one, where it's got the B, is for bottom, as in picking a Euro cylinder. So this, in my opinion, could be a game changer. So I was skeptical at first, but when I seen a video that the awesome Gav had done, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have a bash. And let's just say, I'm outstanding. I'm over the moon with them, all right? Because I have been smashing locks open for fun, locks that are often troublesome, okay? So hopefully I'll give a few demos and also picking a 3-star cylinder with it as well. Yes, so we're gonna get progressive, all right? So this video might go on for a little bit, but I do want to show this fucker in action. So I've had to angle this just so you can see what's going on. So I'm gonna have to like put my arms over the fucking camera. But anyway, there you go. So you can see you've got your 6 spacings. And it works absolutely fine with ERA. The spacings are absolutely spot on. So hopefully I can do this round the camera and you can actually see this motherfucker in action. It's hard for me to describe the feelings, but once you know what you're looking for, yeah, you're onto a winner. So let's just see if you can start seeing this now. So 1, got some bounce, 2, got some bounce, 3, bounce, 4, meh, 5, meh, eh. Let's have a look. No, I wasn't putting enough tension on then, so we'll just start that on again. So you do have to get your tension just right. 2, 3, 4, 5, a little click out of 5. Go to 6, little click on 6. Go to 5, go back to 1. See, 1 is now underneath, can't get anything, so that needs clicking. That needs another one, I think. There we go. So sometimes you have to release tension. Go to number 2. That needs a click, and then your sin jumps into what we'll call it a false set. So we know that ERAs have spool pins in them. They can be tricky little buggers, and I think it is number 2. So I'm just going to ease off tension. Oh, got another big jump then. So it's going to go through. Oh, 3 needs a click. Yeah. Just. No. I drop 3. Ah. There we go. So yeah, that was lovely jubbly, easy peasy, lemon fucking squeezy. So obviously we know how fucking easy ERAs are, but they do have spool pins, so let's just, let's not take them for granted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump onto the notorious Qs, all right? These can be awful little bastards to do with EPG, so I'm a firm believer in fucking options. Let's have it right, guys, let's have it right. So we can just tighten this up. Give that a quick tighten up, make sure you can see, which you can. And again, in we're gonna go. I know it's Qs contain plenty of spools, so same process. So 1, 2, tiny little click on 2, go to 3, feels a bit bound up, so now it's springy. 4, 5 is low, can't get underneath it, that's good. So it's gonna ease off. That's fine. 6, very low. You heard that, I'm sure. Go to 1, 2, got to click on 2 now. 3 feels pretty low, so I'm just going to ease off. Yeah, 3 springy now. 4, 5, drop 5 again. Drop 6 again. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, not too sure about 3. Big jump, all right? So we know we're not that far away. So just gonna test them all now. 5, 6 feels fine. 1, another jump, okay? 2, low as fucking shit. So ease off. Bouncing now. 1, another jump, you can see. It's just fighting back and forth. Go to 3, feels all right. 4, 5, 6. So one of these is giving us a bit of jip, so I think it might be 2. Just gonna have a little checksy while we're here. No, let's go to 1. Oh, 1 give us a big jump. So there's no harm in having a little check, which we've done. Nice big juicy spool. Q smashed open. Okay. So that's that. So let's have a look. Yes, fucking dirty little bastards that these are. Yale's, British Standard. You do have to fight with this one, I'm not gonna lie. So let's have this wallops open, shall we? Or we'll try anyway. So in we go. Spacings are spot on for this. This one is a lot trickier, I'm not gonna lie. Yale's are probably the most difficult ones yet. 1 spring, 2 spring, 3, hard to tell. So if you're not sure, just leave it alone for the time being. 5, no. 6, no. Go back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing on these yet. So I'm just going to increase tension just slightly and just see if we get anything. 5, no. No. Yeah. Got a little bind on 5. So now I'm just going to start working my way through. 3, 2, 1. Oh, is it 3? Could have been. Got a bind on 2 now. There we go, that's what we're looking for. Bind on 1 now. I think 1 set. 3, 4, 5's bound up to shit. Yeah, 6. Yeah, so you can see this one is a struggle, but that's what we're here for, guys. Right back to front. Got a little bind on 1. Bit more movement. I think 2 needs picking. Yeah. So as you can see, this one is a bugger. Can't get under 5 now. And there we go. Got it. That was very difficult, I'm not gonna lie. And last but not least, let's have a look at this motherfucker. Where have you gone? Where have you gone? There we are. So this is a 3-star BKS, okay? Let's check the keys working, lovely jubbly. So I'm gonna set this up, all right? So yes, like I said, game changer this, game changer, I'm almost positive of it. So in we fucking go. Let's have a look, shall we? So 1, little spring, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing, 6 is bound up, and now we've got a little spring, that's always a good sign. Go back to the beginning. Got a little click on 1. 2's fine. 3's fine. 4's bound up. It says. 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, 6, back to the beginning, 2, 3. It's in the jump then, big ass jump. So now we're just gonna have to start fighting our way through. 1, another big jump then. On 2, 3, 4, a little click. Let's have a look. 5, 6, 1. Oh, another one. That feels like it's a spool. Ah, it might well have been. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see, I'm fighting for this motherfucker. 2, 3. Ah, oh, we're close guys. It's 3-star for a reason, I'm sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, 5's bound up to the high heavens. Ah, 3-star lock. Absolutely fucking bunged all over the gaff. So yes, absolutely over the moon with this, guys. I'm telling you now, this could be a fucking game changer. You can buy these on uklockpickers.co.uk. Think, top of my head, they're £65, okay, for one. So you have the Euro version and you have the rim cylinder version. Technically the same thing, but make life easier. All right.